Hare Krishna. A small video, but yet very, very important. This question has been asked by so many students and followers on YouTube that should we look a transit from moon sign or from the Lagna Kundli? Here's the answer. The answer is both. It is easy to say both, but let me justify that. You see, ladies and gentlemen, whenever you look at a transit from moon, and if it is good from the moon, you are going to feel mentally very, very good about it. You're going to feel mentally absolutely, in the cloud nine, on the cloud nine about this. But when you see that this transit from my Lagna is not giving me good results, then internally you are happy because of the moon transit is good, but your circumstances around you is going to create a lot of problems. And you will have ability to fight with these problems in life. Vice versa. Suppose you have this transit very good from the Lagna, but from the moon it is bad. So the condition around you, the circumstances, job circumstances, business, trips, everything will be right in the place, but mentally you'll still not be very happy. You'll feel tormented even if everything is okay. That's where you look the transit from both. And if it is good from both, from the moon it is good, from the Lagna it is good, then you feel happy, and also your environment, your situation around you is very, very good. But if it is bad from both, from the Lagna, from the moon, so not only the problem is with the your mental state, but the problem is also with the circumstances the destiny is creating around you. And that is when you have havocs in your life. That is when you have problematic situations in your life. So I hope you understood, that it is very important to see this, any transit that you're looking at, from both, from the Lagna as well as the moon. Moon will make you happy if it is good, and Lagna will create environments and opportunities for you which are tremendous, which you were waiting for a long, long time, right? But you understood the concept. So you need to see it from the both. And I'm hoping that there'll be no confusion after this video. I'll come up again. Till then, Hare Krishna, Har Har Mahadev. Thank you very much.